welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right now and join the family, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your YouTube intro video using one app. Yeah, you heard me, one app. So I made my YouTube intro video using inshot. I love inshot because it is free and it is fast. It has everything you need. So the first thing I did was open inshot app, select on video because we're making a video, select on new. So the first thing you want to do is choose your background image. So you choose your background image, you select it right over there, you go on canvas, you choose 16 by 90, then you increase intensity. Okay, then what you want to do, I press on the stickers. The first thing I did was choose my photo. So remember, guys, you can do this however you want. You can resize your photos however you want in any way. So mine is just simple and I just put it over there. Then if you want, you can edit your picture, the picture that you just put. So you can press on edit. We have the motions. So here is just the in motion, however you want it to be. We have a variety of options, but I just go for that one. We also have the loop over here. So this means that your picture will be moving continuously. So I didn't choose that. I chose the basic one. All right, guys. So I chose another photo. I added about 3 photos on my first page. So yeah. I edit the last 2 pictures with the same filter or motion. Okay, so you just press on OK, then you add in your text. So on the text you add in the name of your channel, guys. Press OK. So again, on the text there are a variety of colors. You can choose whatever color you want. I love this color, so that's the color I chose. So we have a variety of colors. You can choose whatever colors that suit your need or your preference, guys. Yeah. So as you go, you can play the video and see where you need to make some adjustments. Okay. So I added just a little sticker, the butterfly thingy, just right over there. I edit the butterfly. I also give it a motion. So since this is a butterfly, I have to give it a spinny thingy. Again, I go on sticker. I look for the shiny stars. Just resize it. Just put it right on the middle there. Press OK. So again, you adjust these to the beginning of the video because you don't want these to just pop up right in the middle of the video. So yeah. So again, you play your video, you see how far you've gone with it. And so remember, guys, like for me, my YouTube intro video is just 10 seconds, so just don't add in too much. So you go on your duration, you extend it to however long you want your YouTube intro video to be, but it cannot exceed 10 seconds with InShot. So the next thing I did was, since this is where you move the clips you just put in to where it's blank, so that you can add in your next whatever you want to add in. So for me, I went with the social media. So again, here you will need some social media icons. You can have a Snapchat icon, Instagram icon, TikTok icon, Twitter icon. But since the space is really small, so I add in my picture again. Since the space is small, I just added in 2 icons. So again, you can resize it however you want it, guys. Remember, it is according to the way you want it to be. So you press on OK, you add another one. So I just added in the TikTok. Press on OK. Whatever you do, always press on OK so everything gets saved. So you add in your user, social media user, according to whatever icon that you put. These are my most active social media platforms, so that's why I put TikTok and Instagram. So Instagram, my user is simply Momo. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and that's my user on TikTok. So again, you can edit this. You can place whatever motion that you want. Okay, press on motion. So if you want this to have a motion as well, you can change it, guys. So that's how far we've gone. And the next clip, guys, the last clip I added was the like, comment, and subscribe. There's the last thing that I had put in my you can place it however order you want. Oops. So again, on this one, it's kind of too plain for me, so I just love to add in the stars, the shiny star thingy just there. So I'm just checking in how I did my edit. So guys, you can comment down below if you want me to show you guys how I added my clickable or animated subscribe button. So the last thing I want to do is add my music. So make sure you have the copyright free music. Go on tracks, my music. I use this suite. I got it from I'll leave the link in the description box below. So again, you can edit it. You can edit the song and that's how I made my YouTube intro video, guys. Comment down below how you liked it or if it's of any help to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it's going to help you and you. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.